Hey y'all, I got sent over a video light. This is from Honomo, H-O-N-O-M-O. We're going to open it up and see what all we have here. First thing we see, oh, okay. Comes with a nice little carrying case, and their light is in here. You can see it's got the 1/4-inch standard mounting screw right here, so you can put this on a tripod. It's 196 lumen. It has a Kelvin temperature range between 2,500 and 9,000, I believe. Yeah, 2,500 and 9,000 color temperature. Has a built-in 3,000 milliamp battery, so it should last for a little while. Let's turn it on, see if we have any power. Oh yeah, we got power. You can adjust your brightness. Oh, that gets up pretty bright. Then you can adjust your color temperature. Got the dials here on the side. You can adjust it. Has an LED indicator light on the top right here to show how much battery you have in it. Looks like we're down to 2 bars. So we're going to have to get it charged up before we get to using it. Right here on the back, it does tell you what the dials are for. So in case you need some help with that. And then you got your on and off button. And it is charged by the USB-C. That port is right here on the bottom. Well, technically, it would be right here on the top because here's your screw. Okay, let's see what we have in the box here. We have our, well, it says manual instructions. So it's your manual or your instructions, but either way, you know what it is. And we have, okay, our tripod. See how good that thing is. Oh, that's got little gears. That's cool. Have a phone holder. Pretty tight. See, I have the S22. I got Galaxy. Yep, it will fit that pretty good. And you can put this on this way, or if you want to video the other way, you can put it on this way. Just whichever way you need it. You can hold it like that. I don't know. I don't know why it's there, but it's there, but it can go this way. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cord for your light. Okay, I guess you're going to, let's see, what is this one? Okay, all right. This is just a clip. That's a very stiff clip. You can clip it on, actually you could clip it onto your computer monitor if you wanted to. I would just make sure just barely clip it, that way it'll stay there. You can mount your light right on top of that. Like so. This will go right on this little cold shoe mount, just like so. Tighten that up. You mount your light right there on the top. It has a ball swivel, so you'll be able to change the angle. Go that way or this way, wherever you need it. Got a little thumb screw on the back right there. Put your phone in there. Turn your light on. Be ready for action. Plenty of accessories. I really like the idea that you could use this as a light on your computer monitor if you had a camera set up. That works out pretty good. Wonder what it'll look like on there. Let's go look. Well, there it is. Saw what it looked like on the computer monitor and on your tripod. So if you're into blogging or just need to take pictures and you need some lighting that's a little better than the flash on your phone, you might check this out. I am Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.